Verisurf 2023 enhances the functionality of model-based definition through the addition of inspection balloons to GD&T callouts. Balloons can be applied to geometric tolerances such as parallelism, profile, and position, as well as scalar dimensions such as diameter, angle, and thickness. Inspection balloons appear in the graphics window and become a part of the Verisurf data file for use in inspection plans and reports. Balloons are assigned by first selecting the desired callouts in the MBD tree, and then choosing the Create Balloons button. Balloons can be removed using the Delete Balloons button. Balloons are numbered in the order they appear in the MBD data tree, so renumbering is accomplished simply by moving the callouts into the desired order. Inspection balloons streamline first article type inspection and reporting by assigning unique identifiers to individual characteristics. The balloon screen image helps identify the part location of each characteristic in the report. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2023 feature highlight series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.